Over the next several months, thousands of students across America will be testing gravity's limits through designing, building, and successfully launching model rockets for a national rocket competition. And Ulster BOCES students enrolled in the New Vision's Advanced Robotics and Engineering class are all fired up to compete.
And who doesn't like launching rockets?
But there's a lot more to designing a rocket for this competition than what meets the eye.
This is going to be the body tube for my rocket, and the saw that we use to cut it doesn't cut it quite straight. So we plug it into this machine here, and this spins around and brings a sharp edge to it. So it'll shave off material from the taller side but not the shorter side until we get a perfectly flat cut.
They have to build a rocket with not using any store-bought items other than the solid rocket motors. So they had to design it on a computer. We use a 3D printer. We used milling and lathe to turn the parts.
Oh, there's a lot of things I didn't expect. Like, we had to calculate the drag that would come off of the different shaped wings, and we had to figure out the center of gravity and the center of pressure for our rockets to ensure that they'd fly straight.
Students are required to design a rocket that will climb 825 feet with a payload of 2 raw eggs, which must be ejected and safely returned to Earth unbroken. In order to meet the competition's criteria, students say there was a lot of testing, retesting, making adjustments, and more testing.
We launched them with interesting results. Mine went and did 11 somersaults in the air, crashed into a baseball field. Went pretty good.
Through trial and error, we've learned that a rounded nose cone works better than a pointed one, and that 4 fins is the best, even though mine's got 5, because I just wanted to test it since we're going to collaborate ideas anyway.
Harris says this project helped push educational boundaries.
I mean, of course we like to win, but either way the kids have learned a lot about rockets, designing, forces, center of gravity, everything. So win or lose, the kids have learned a lot from it. They had fun doing it. So it was a good project.
The class activity helped fuel deep thoughts on space exploration.
What is it about space that's so intriguing, maybe even for you?
How much we don't know about it, and how much we can learn through better designs for our ships. And because the better our ships are, the longer they can go out in space, the more we can learn about it.
In the end, it isn't only about the spectacle of the rockets at launch time, but it's also about the lessons on overcoming adversity, satisfying curiosity, and of course, cheering on your teammates.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Can I go find it?
You gotta run around the fence this way. Just go over the snowbank.
I called it in the tree.
Is it in the tree?